Well, everyone, you all liked it when I unboxed my iPhone 7 for some reason. So now let's go and do an iPhone 11. Now, this is my pre-existing iPhone 11. I just repackaged everything inside of it. But I do want to showcase you guys one more thing. Look at how thick this box was at this time. Now, this was the same box that I bought in 2019, obviously. And just looking at the thickness of it and how many accessories Apple put in, I repackaged all the accessories I had with it. And it's crazy to think that this box was this big at this moment, and it was cheaper than the iPhone 13. This was $699. The iPhone 13 right now is I think $799 or like $829 without the unlocked version or something. So that's pretty crazy. Now, that's the first thing, right? That's the first thing that really, came out to me. So if you're buying an iPhone 11 in this day and age, it's not going to be the same thickness because you're going to be getting, with a smaller box, thinner box and all that. Now, going ahead and taking up the top, you will see that typically we would have the iPhone 11 up top. I don't remember if it was facing this way or if it was the other way facing front, but totally okay. This is my iPhone 11 and I think it is dead, so I don't really remember if I charged it or not. As you can see, it's dead. But one thing that's always interested me about the iPhone 11 boxes is that they always had this little indent right here that showcased where the camera was. So that was also always so funny. Now this is the actual existing iPhone 11 documentation that I had before. So if I go and take it out, I think this is for the iPhone 11. So we can go and open it up. So you can see it is for the iPhone 11 and have my little thing here. It's the little welcome to iPhone thing, this little SIM card eject tool here. And I still have these and I still have the stickers as well, which is pretty crazy. So those are all still existing with this iPhone, which is pretty insane. And I still think you still get these when you get the latest iPhone. And then you have the charging block still, which is really cool. Nothing different here. It's pretty much the same exact thing. You have the headphones. I mean, this was the crazy thing that you actually got earpods with your, iPhone purchase. And you also have the charger right there, which is so cool. But this is insane. The fact that you actually have these types of things for this type of headphones is so crazy to me. Now, I think these are the original ones. I don't remember buying any more. I don't remember there being a plastic cover over it. I could be totally wrong. But that's pretty crazy in and of itself as well. So overall, when I go ahead and unbox like this iPhone and I compare it to something like the latest iPhone, I'm actually pretty surprised to see the differences and how much more of just, stuff you were getting. I'm just always so intrigued by how you were getting so much more stuff from something like the older iPhone than from the newer iPhones. I mean, these headphones itself are like, $15-20, I think. And these charging blocks are like, you have to buy them separately. So that's always been super annoying to me. And again, if you're planning on buying an iPhone 11 right now, it's not going to be in the same box. It's going to be a different one. The iPhone 11 is going to be in a slimmer box. It's not going to have the headphones and it's not going to have the charging block. But it's crazy to me that, if you're actually buying a used one, you may still get all these accessories. But it never really made sense to me why Apple, went ahead and moved it to this route. But it is what it is. So that's a quick little unboxing. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I got you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.